Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I remove my eye makeup in just a few seconds with this Clinique Take the Day Off, and it's the liquid one which is for lids, lashes and lips, and it comes in a purple bottle and I have a small sample size of it. So I filled up this old spray bottle with some cotton pads. I'm just gonna spray it on because it's much more easy. I think that's how they should package it in my opinion, because a fine spray of it on cotton pads makes it come off in one sweep. As you can see, most of it is all off, so I really love this stuff right now. Now to do my eyeliner, I like to use this Milkshake makeup remover by Skinfood because it's not as oily as the other one, so it doesn't like make my vision cloudy, and it's really light and effective. So I put it in this halaka bottle that makes it come out a lot easier. You just push the top down, and then I just use a cotton swab and get some of the product onto it, make it all nice and soaked on both sides. And then I just remove my eyeliner and my mascara, and it comes off really easily and doesn't irritate my eyes at all. The stuff is really gentle, so that's the second step that I love to do. Even when this stuff gets in my eyes, it doesn't sting at all. And I'll show you how I like to remove my mascara. I sort of twirl the cotton swab downwards in the direction of my lashes, and it comes off a lot easier this way. You get everything off, and then I'm just gonna sweep it with a clean cotton pad and everything should be off now.